Dear students, I am Mr. Mishra, math teacher of ALPM Public School, Ghulambajar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as I am going to express chapter data handling. In this chapter, first of all, I will express what is data. Data is a collection of numerical figure which gives meaningful information. It means if you want to find out age of any 10 students, then first of all, I will write age of the students. 10 students. Age of 10 students must be in the numerical figure. So we can say this is data. After explaining data, I will explain raw data. What is the raw data? First of all, finding data is called raw data. Suppose that if you want to find out age of 10 students, then I will write age of 10 students as 10, 15, 25, 36, 40, 45, 45, 30, 32, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 21. This is student age of weight of 10 students. You see that this is not arranged in the ascending order or descending order. So first of all, when you find out any data, that is called raw data. Now, next, what is the frequency of any data? If any data, how many any observation occur? Frequency of any data or any observation means how many any observation occurs in any data called frequency. Suppose that here all any number frequency of 10 is 1 because number of times of 10 is 1 in data. So frequency of 10 is 1. Here you see that frequency of 15 is also 1. So frequency means कि how many number of times any observation occur in data. So now next is arithmetic mean. How to find arithmetic mean of any data? Suppose that how many, or we can say that how to find mean of any data. Suppose that we have to find out mean of 20, 21, 22, 20, 30. Then first of all, I will add this data, and after adding this data, we will divide number of data. Here number of data is 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all, I will add this data and divide it by 4. We get the mean of data. So mean of this data will be mean equal 20 plus 21 plus 22 plus 30 divided by 4. Then it will be 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 93 divided by 4. When we divide 93 by 4, we get 93 divided by 4. Then it will be 4 2 are 8, 9 minus 8, 1, 4 3 are 12, 0.04 to the 8, 204 20.25. 20.25 is the mean of this data. Now, how to now next is I'll solve question on the exercise 6.1. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given here some data. Question number 3 of exercise 6.1. Question number 3 of exercise 6.1. Given here is the raw data of marks obtained by 50 students in their final exam. Find the estimating mean of the raw data. Data is 45, 52, 63, 48, 75, 93, 88, 76, 100, 21, 45, 21, 45, 81, 81, 90, 90, 56, 56, 71. We have to find out arithmetic mean of this data. So how to find arithmetic mean? I will add mean equal. We have all the data and divided by the number of data. Here we have 25 plus 52 plus 63 plus 38 plus 75 plus 93 plus 88 plus 76 plus 100 plus 21 plus 45 plus 81 plus 81 plus 90 plus 56 plus 71 divided by total number is 15 because number of students is 15, therefore we divide by 15. Then it will be 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 30, 30 plus 1 14, 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 8 28, 28 plus 3 31, 31 plus 5 36, 36 plus 8 44, 44 plus 3 47, 47 plus 2 49, 49 plus 5 54, 54 4 carry 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 9 26, 26 plus 8 34, 34 plus 4 38, 38 plus 2 40, 40 plus 7 47, 47 plus 8 55, 55 plus 9 64, 64 plus 7 71, 71 plus 3 74, 74 plus 6 80, 80 plus 5 85, 85 plus 4 89, 9 carry 8, 8 plus 1 9, 994 divided by 15, then it will be 56 are 90, 56 are 90, 56 are 90, 994 divided by 15, 56 are 90, 94, 56 are 94, 0 decimal, 4 2 are 13, 1 0, 0 15, 56 are 90, 57 are 105, approximately 7. Therefore, 66.27 is the arithmetic mean of this data. Now, I have to find out grouping data into class interval. How to find data in class interval? How to find data in class interval? Finding data, grouping data into class interval. Grouping data in class interval. Suppose that you are given any data and you have to find out class interval. For example, we consider that is there is students 3, 2, 4, 6, 2, 5, 8, 1, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 2, 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 9, 1. We have to find out class interval of this data. So first of all, how I will find the class interval of this data? First of all, I will find the lowest observation and highest observation, and find the difference of lowest observation and highest observation. Here we see that highest observation is 10 and lowest observation is 1. So find out difference. Difference equal 10 minus 1 equal 9. Now I will find out class interval. Class interval must be in medium size, not very small and not very high. So I will find class interval as difference between class interval will be 2. So we consider first class interval is 1 to 3 and the next is 3 to 6 and the next is 6 to 10, 6 to 9, and next will be 9 to 12. This is class interval. 9 to 3 to 6, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. No, it will be not 1 to 4, and next is 4 to 7, and next is 7 to 10. This is class interval. This is called lower limit and this is called higher limit. Now I will write which number is below 4, but below 4, that is 1, 2, 3. Here we see that 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here is also 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here also 2. Therefore, this number will be frequency. Now, I will write frequency. Tally mark. Here will be tally mark, and here will be frequency. Here you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, tally mark will be 9, frequency will be 9. Then, how I will express tally mark? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 9. Now, which number? Below 7 but greater than 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, this number will be 5. Therefore, frequency will be 5, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.